Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. When it comes to BGA ball grid array rework stations, precision, reliability, and versatility are paramount. These specialized tools are essential in repairing and reworking intricate electronic components, particularly BGA chips, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in the process. The top BGA rework stations stand out for their advanced features, such as precise temperature control, ergonomic designs, and compatibility with various board sizes. This selection showcases the cream of the crop, offering a comprehensive range of capabilities to cater to diverse rework needs within the electronics industry. Number 5. LI M770 Upgraded IR Infrared BGA Rework Station. The infrared heating technology in this rework station is highly efficient and reliable. It heats up quickly and provides consistent temperature control, which is crucial when working with sensitive electronic components. The inclusion of a model number LI M770 is a helpful addition, as it ensures that you are using the right equipment for the job. This feature is particularly important in the field of electronics repair, where precision is key. The control panel is intuitive and easy to use. Even if you're not a seasoned professional, you'll find it easy to navigate and set the desired parameters for your rework. This rework station is versatile and can be used for a wide range of applications, including reflow soldering, desoldering, and soldering. Its adaptability makes it a valuable addition to any electronics workbench. Number 4. LI IR8500 BGA Rework Station. The LI IR8500 boasts impressive specifications. With 2 heating zones, it's suitable for a wide range of applications. The upper heating area, measuring 80mm x 80mm and consuming 450 W, is perfect for precise and small-scale work. Meanwhile, the bottom heating area, generously sized at 400mm x 200mm and consuming 1600 W, is ideal for larger BGA components and complex PCBs. The general power rating of 2050 W ensures efficient and consistent performance. One of the standout features of this rework station is its user-friendly interface. The included manual and software make it easy to set and monitor the temperature profiles, ensuring precise control over the soldering and desoldering processes. The clear, intuitive controls are a time saver even for beginners. The IR heating technology employed by LI in the IR8500 provides consistent and even heat distribution. This feature significantly reduces the risk of damaging sensitive components during rework. I've found it to be particularly efficient when dealing with BGAs, as it minimizes the chances of overheating or thermal shock. Number 3. Digisix T870A BGA Rework Station. First and foremost, the temperature stability of this rework station is excellent. It consistently maintains the set temperature of 350 degrees Celsius, ensuring precise and reliable soldering and desoldering of BGA components. This is crucial for delicate electronic components, and the T870A has not disappointed in this regard. The compact dimensions of 43 x 42 x 26 cm make it easy to fit into my workspace without taking up too much room. This is a huge advantage for those with limited bench space, as it doesn't compromise on functionality despite its size. The input voltage requirement of AC 220 to 230 V is standard and readily available, ensuring compatibility with most power supplies. The station heats up quickly, allowing me to get to work without unnecessary waiting. One of the standout features of the Digisix T870A is its affordability. While there are more expensive options on the market, this rework station offers excellent performance at a budget-friendly price. The value for money is simply unbeatable. Number 2. Digisix T862 BGA Rework Station. The Digisix T862 boasts some impressive specifications. With a model number T862 and the Digisix brand name, it comes with dimensions of 410 x 316 mm, making it a reasonably compact and space-efficient device. It offers flexibility in power input, accommodating both 110 V and 220 to 230 volts. The 1600 W output power is more than sufficient for various BGA rework tasks, and the output temperature range of 100 to 350 degrees Celsius ensures versatility in handling a wide range of components. The temperature stability is excellent, which is crucial for precise and consistent rework. One of the standout features of the Digisix T862 is its performance. I've used it for reworking various electronic components, including BGAs, and it is consistently delivered. The wide temperature range allows me to work on delicate and sensitive components with ease, while the exceptional temperature stability ensures that I can achieve precise results every time. Number 1. Digisix 1000A BGA Rework Station. The 1000A's performance is truly exceptional. It boasts a powerful heating system that rapidly reaches the desired temperature, making quick work of reworking BGAs. The temperature control is accurate and consistent, ensuring that delicate components are never exposed to excessive heat. This precision is crucial for preventing damage to expensive electronic components. Operating the Digisix 1000A is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly interface. The controls are intuitive, and the digital display provides real-time information on the temperature and air volume settings. While the station is easy to use, a more detailed user manual would be a welcome addition for those who may be new to BGA Rework Stations. The build quality is impressive. The station feels sturdy and durable, designed to withstand continuous use in a professional setting. The included nozzle and heating element are also of high quality, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. Thanks for watching this video.